going to discuss method 3 to find the integrating factors. Now, there are 5 steps for finding method 3. So, coming to step 1, what is step 1 here? Let the differential equation mdx plus ndy equals to 0. This we have considered as equation 1, and dou m by dou y which is not equals to dou n by dou x, then equation 1 is not an exact differential equation. If this dou m by dou y not equals to dou n by dou x, then we can say that equation 1 is not an exact differential equation. Step 2, the equation 1 is of the form y into f of x comma y dx plus x into g of x comma y dy equals to 0. Now, equation 1 should be in the form of, which form it should be in the? Equation 1 should be of the form y into f of x comma y into dx plus x into g of x comma y into dy equals to 0. Now, step 3, find mx minus ny. After that, we have to find mx minus ny. If mx minus ny not equals to 0, then integrating factor equals to 1 by mx minus ny. If this, after finding this mx, what we have to do? We have to find mx minus ny. If this mx minus ny not equals to 0, then what is the integrating factor? 1 by mx minus ny. Step 4, what we have to do here? Multiply equation 1 by this 1 by mx minus ny. Then equation 1 is exact differential equation. After multiplying equation 1 with 1 by mx minus ny, then equation 1 will become exact differential equation. In step 5, then solve the above equation 1 by previous method. Now, after multiplying equation 1 with 1 by mx minus ny, then in step 5 what we have to do? We have to solve the above equation 1. Above equation 1 by previous method. What is the previous method? There are 2. Let us discuss an example problem using method 3. So what is given here? Solve y into xy sin y plus cos xy into dx plus x into xy sin xy minus cos xy dy equals to 0. So coming to solution, what is given here? Y into xy sin xy plus cos xy dx plus x into xy sin xy minus cos xy dy equals to 0. Now we have to multiply this y. So after multiplying this y, what we will get here? X into y square sin xy plus y into cos xy into dx as it is plus into x square y sin xy minus x into cos xy into dy equals to 0. This we have to consider as, what we have to do? This we have to consider as equation 1. Now, after considering this as equation 1, what we have to do? We have to compare this equation 1. We have to compare this equation 1 with mdx plus ndy equals to 0. Then what m will become here? M equals to x into y square sin xy plus y into cos xy, comma n equals to x square y into sin xy minus x into cos xy. So here m equals to y square sin xy plus y into cos xy, comma n equals to x square y sin xy minus x into cos xy. Now we have to partially differentiate m with respect to y. So dou m by dou y equals to, now we have to take this x into y square sin xy plus y into cos xy equals to x into x as it is equals to x into, here we have to take uv method. So this is u and this is v. So what is the formula for uv? uv dx equals to u dash v plus v dash u. So what is u dash here? Differentiation of y square d by dy of, since dy of y square equals to 2y. So differentiation of y square 2y here. Again into v as it is. So what is v here? Sin xy plus, now v dash. What is v here? V means here sin. Differentiation of, since d by dy of sin y equals to, what is the differentiation of sin? Cos y. So here cos xy. We have to take this xy inner derivative. So x derivative of xy, what we will get here? Into x. So derivative of differentiation of y 1. Now x as it is. Into x into what is u here? Y square. Here we are taking again uv method. So y u dash differentiation of y 1 into what is v here? Cos xy plus differentiation of cos y. Differentiation of cos y means here minus sin y. What is the differentiation of cos formula? Minus sin plus here of minus sin xy. Again we have to differentiate, we have to take inner derivative. So inner derivative of xy, differentiation of y1, what is remaining here? X into again u. What is u here? Y equals to 2 into xy sin xy plus x into x square y square into cos xy plus 1 into cos xy minus again here plus into minus xy into sin xy. So here 2xy minus xy 2xy sin xy minus xy sin xy. What we will get here? xy sin xy plus x square y square into cos xy plus cos xy equals to xy sin xy as it is plus here we are taking cos xy common. So x square into y square plus 1 into cos xy. So therefore dou m by dou y equals to xy sin xy plus x square into y square plus 1 into cos xy. Similarly again really differentiated n with respect to x. So dou n by dou x equals to, here we should take y into x square sin xy minus x into cos xy. Similarly what we have done in dou m by dou y. So here also we are applying uv differentiation formula. So then dou n by dou x equals to xy into sin xy plus x square into y square minus 1 into cos xy. So after applying uv formula, what is the answer here? Dou n by dou x equals to xy into sin xy plus x square into y square minus 1 into cos xy. So what is dou m by dou y? Dou m by dou y equals to xy sin xy plus x square into y square plus 1 into cos xy. So dou n by dou x equals to xy into sin xy plus x square into y square minus 1 into cos xy. So both are not equal. So therefore dou m by dou y not equals to dou n by dou x. Then the equation 1 is not exact. So it is not an exact differential equation. As equation 1 is not an exact differential equation, now we have to find mx minus ny equals to, what is m here? X into y square into xy square sin xy plus y cos xy into x minus, what is n? X square y into sin xy minus x into cos xy into y. That equals to x into x square into y square sin xy plus x into y cos xy minus x square, here y into y square sin xy minus into minus plus x into y xy cos xy. So here x square y square into sin xy plus x square y square sin xy minus x square y square sin xy, both will be cancelled. That equals to, what is remaining here? xy cos xy plus xy cos xy, 2xy into cos xy. Therefore, mx minus ny equals to 2xy into cos xy, which is not equals to 0. That equals to 1 by 2xy into cos xy, which is not equals to 0. Mx minus ny is not equals to 0. Then what is integrating factor here? 1 by 2xy into cos xy is the integrating factor. We have to multiply this 1 by 2xy into cos xy with equation 1. Now we are multiplying equation 1 with this integrating factor. So xy square into sin xy plus y cos xy by 2xy cos xy dx plus x square y into sin xy minus cos xy by 2xy cos xy into dy equals to 0. So now we have to separate this. So xy square sin xy by 2xy cos xy plus y cos xy by 2xy cos xy into dx plus x square y sin xy by 2xy cos xy minus, as it is, x cos xy by 2xy cos xy into dy equals to 0. We have to separate this. Xy square sin xy by 2xy cos xy plus y cos xy by 2xy sin cos xy into dx plus x square y sin xy by 2xy cos xy minus x into cos xy by 2xy cos xy into dy equals to 0. Now here this x will be cancelled. Here y square y will be cancelled. Now plus this y will be cancelled. Cos xy both will be cancelled into dx plus x square x will be cancelled. Here both y's will be cancelled. So here sin xy cos xy as it is minus this x will be cancelled here. Here both cos xy will be cancelled into dy equals to 0. So what is remaining here? Y by 2 sin xy by sin by cos. What we will get? Sin by cos means tan xy as it is plus 1 by, so nothing is remaining here. So we have to take 1 by 2x is remaining here into dx plus what is remaining here? X sin by cos tan x by 2 minus 1 by what is remaining here? 2y into dy equals to 0. This we should consider as equation 2. So compare this equation 2 with m1 dx plus n1 dy equals to 0. Then m1 equals to y by 2 tan xy plus 1 by 2x and n1 equals to x by 2 tan xy minus 1 by 2y. So we have to differentiate partially m1 with respect to y. So dou m1 by dou y equals to differentiation of y means here 1 by 2 differentiation of tan. What we will get? dy dx of tan equals to secant square x. So secant square xy. We have to differentiate only with respect to y. Now differentiate again. Differentiate n1 with respect to x. So dou n1 by dou x equals to differentiation of x 1 by 2 differentiation of tan secant square x into secant square xy. Therefore dou m1 by dou y equals to dou n1 by dou x. So both are equal. Therefore equation 2 is exact. Now if it is exact means what we have to do? Integrate m1 with respect to x. Now we have to integrate m1 with respect to x. Take y as constant. What we have to do? We have to take y as constant. So integral m1 dx equals to what is m1 here? Integral, what is m1? Y by 2 into tan xy plus 1 by 2x into dx. Now we have to take here y constant. So y by 2 into integral tan xy dx plus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by x dx. So here equals to y by 2 integral tan x means what is the formula for integral tan x dx? Integral tan x dx equals to log of secant x. So here log of secant, what is the secant x here? secant xy, log of secant xy. Again we have to take here inner derivative. Inner derivative of log xy. So inner derivative of log xy, what we will get here? 1 by y plus 1 by 2. Since integral of 1 by x dx, what is the formula for integral of 1 by x dx? Integral of 1 by x dx equals to log x. So plus 1 by 2 into log x. Now here this y, both y's will be cancelled. What is remaining here? 1 by 2 into log of secant xy plus 1 by 2 into log x. Now integrate n1 with respect to y and x terms should not be considered. So integral n1 dy equals to, what is n1 here? X by 2 tan xy minus 1 by 2y dy. So what we have discussed here, x terms should not be considered. So we should not take this x terms. So now what is remaining here? Only y terms we have to take. Only integrate n1 with respect to y. So minus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by y dy equals to minus 1 by 2 integral 1 by y dy means, what is the formula for integral 1 by y dy? Log y. So integral, therefore integral n1 dy equals to minus 1 by 2 log y. Now therefore general solution is integral m1 dx plus integral n1 dy equals to c. So what is the general solution? Integral n1 dx plus n1 dy equals to c. That implies, what is integral m1 here? 1 by 2 into log of secant xy plus 1 by 2 into log x plus of, what is n1 here? Minus 1 by 2 into log y equals to c. That implies 1 by 2 into log of secant xy plus 1 by 2 into log x. Here plus into minus minus 1 by 2 into log y equals to c. That implies, now here we have to take 1 by 2 common. So 1 by 2 into log of secant xy. So 1 by 2 into log of secant xy plus log x minus log y equals to, now here we should take 1 by 2 into log c. As this equation is in this form, we have to take here 1 by 2 into log c. That implies 1 by 2 into, here this is in the form of log a plus log b. Since log a plus log b equals to log ab. So this is in the form of log a plus log b. So log a plus log b equals to log ab. 1 by 2 into log of secant xy into x minus log y equals to 1 by 2 into log c. That implies 1 by 2 into, now it is in the form of log a minus log b. Since log a minus log b equals to log a by b. What is the formula for log a minus log b? Log a minus log b equals to log a by b. So now log 1 by 2 into log, what is a here? X into secant xy by y equals to 1 by 2 into log c. Here both 1 by 2's will be cancelled. What is remaining here? That implies log of x into secant xy by y equals to log c. Now this both logs will be cancelled here. That implies, what is remaining here? X into secant xy by y equals to c. That implies x into secant xy equals to, if this division by goes here means becomes multiplication, it equals to cy. So this is the solution.